Hey guys, this is Mike from Tech Reviews, and today we are doing another special unboxing of WWE Topps Chrome. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, definitely a different unboxing again for the channel. For those of you who follow me and have followed me over the years, you guys know I am a big wrestling fan, WWE, AEW, etc. And I was, I've been collecting and working on some other things other than tech, obviously, like shoe reselling, whatnot. But TCG trading cards like Pokemon are something that I've been getting into, and I know that WWE Topps cards are very popular also. So a couple days back, I went to one of my local Targets and I actually caught a restock of them doing this. And I never see these in store, honestly. So I ended up buying a couple. I'm going to open one today for you since it is WrestleMania weekend. So just, FYI, I don't know a lot about WWE Top cards. Let's take a look here at the side really quick. It says 3 exclusive diamond plate refractors per box. 7 packs per box, 4 cards per pack, 28 total cards. And again, to contact customer support, yada, yada, yada. But again, these are some of the current WWE stars. Again, today is Sunday and we are in night 2 of Mania today. So again, that's going to be in a few hours, but I did want to, again, just kind of open one of these up for you guys. I'll probably keep the other one sealed at least for now, but I definitely wanted to do this for you guys, especially wrestling fans out there. And maybe this gets views, maybe it doesn't, but again, if you guys smash the like button, I would really appreciate it, and comment down below who your favorite wrestler is and who you're going for night 2 WrestleMania. Pretty cool, honestly. Again, this would be my first time. I'm usually more of a Pokemon unpacking guy. Let's take a look here. It does look like that little WWE logo thing comes out. Should come, like I said, with 7 packs. So let's go ahead and put this to the side here. And let me move my keyboard back a little bit. So again, I don't know what the 7 refractors is or whatever it's talking about. But it says 7 packs, includes 3 diamond plate refractors. So I don't know if those are like the specific type of cards. But again, we're going to just kind of mix it up here a little bit, I guess. And, that way it's not in any specific order. Anyways, we'll go ahead and start going, guys. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate you. Again, 4 packs per, or 4 cards per pack. It's kind of light, honestly. I really wish it was like 10, like, other TCG, I guess, but we'll see, I guess. Again, I don't really know what I'm looking for specifically. I'm probably going to, obviously I'm going to sleeve all these. So do I have to turn this? Oh, okay. Do I turn this around? Here we go. All right, we got Chelsea Green. I love that for her. Okay, hold on. So Chelsea Green. Okay, we'll put that over here. We do have a Damian Priest, and I know on some of these collector boxes you can get these that are already signed. I could already see one thing. You can see like a little markup here on this one, so definitely not something that I'm going to send into grading. We have the Truth. My dog, our Truth. And let's take a look here. All right, here we go. I guess this is the refractor one, maybe. I'm not sure. Again, we have Bronson Reed over here. So again, Bronson Reed, I already saw the back of the card, right? So Bronson Reed, that's a pretty cool looking card, though, honestly. You guys tell me, right? Tell me what you guys think of this first pack opening. I'm happy I got Chelsea Green. Pretty cool, honestly. I'm most likely gonna sleeve these up. I'm gonna try to be as careful as I can, again, because trading cards, like I said, can go for money, just depending on who you're buying and selling to, obviously. Let's go ahead and open the other pack here. Let's take a look. Here. Again, I'm excited. Should we open them from the front? Well, let's open them. I guess we're gonna still open them from the back. Definitely not like the same that you would open like a Pokemon pack. These are just very terrible, or not terrible, but I feel like the actual packs themselves are not very good. I can already see I got a rock card. So again, I don't know how rare the rock card is. We'll turn it around though. Okay, we're upside down. We got, this is a Hall of Famer, by the way. So we have a Junkyard Dog. Shout out to the Junkyard Dog. That's pretty cool looking. Hold on, let me see if I can focus here. I'll probably change the brightness when I'm editing. Again, the cards, let's take a look here. We got New Jack. Wow. Okay, I didn't even know New Jack was a thing in WWE, maybe in his like early career. We got the OTC, my tribal chief Roman Reigns, and his cousin, Eras of Excellence, Dwayne The Rock Johnson. So, where are my sleeves? I have sleeves somewhere here. I am going to sleeve him and probably the OTC card up. Again, I don't know. I don't even know if these will work on these type of cards. I guess so, yeah. Check it out. Check that out, guys. The Rock OTC. Pretty cool, and it gives you information on the back there. So we'll go ahead and again, I'll put the Rock card aside, and I'll try to be careful with these cards. New Jack, all these guys are legends in the ring here. So again, let's go ahead and go to the next card. Again, excuse the bad lighting, by the way. I'm recording on a phone that is definitely I'm not used to recording on, but I'm trying to use this phone more for my recording. So let's see. We're opening the packs here. We're on 3 of 7. So let's see. I think I just got one of our Hall of Fame, or not one of our Hall of Fame, but one of our ex-champions. If you guys watched night one, I don't want to spoil it for you, but let's see. I'm trying my best to get that part open. There you go. I like to save the packs sometimes. So again, let's turn it around. And oh, okay, here we go. John Cena, never seen 17. There's nobody on the card, guys. I can't see who's on the card. So we'll see. Never seen 17. WWE legend John Cena. Let's go. Okay. Oh, and again, I don't know what is going on with the packing of these cards, but they're like all upside down, like crazy. We got Gunther, Topps Chrome. We got, okay, here we go. We got Obafemi. We're going to do the little dance. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Some of these cards look pretty cool. And we have the, unfortunately, ex-WWE Women's Champion, Stephanie Vaquer over here. Stephanie Vaquer, that's a very good-looking card. Looks like she's setting up for the Devil's Kiss on Roxanne Paris with a classic move. I'll go ahead and do my best to save these cards here. At least put them in a sleeve. I probably won't sleeve all of them up, but we'll see. Again, you gotta be real careful with the cards that have like the point, the what do you call it, like the square edges or the rectangular edges like that. Just because again, any little bump or whatever, you're gonna mess up the card. So I'm definitely doing my best to protect the card. Like I said, next pack here. Let's go ahead and get that going. So again, guys, WrestleMania weekend is one of my favorite weekends of the year. I usually request off. So I want to give shout outs to my boys from the DLP, the Deathlock podcast. Gil Heyman, Tito, also my boy Trizzy, anyone that continues to follow and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate you guys being here. Let's turn it around. Okay. Oh, okay. We got some more another modern person here. Otis. My dog Otis with the worm over here. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Again, another card that's just like, what's going on? Like, the cards are upside down. Bret Hart, WWE legend. Again, oh, we got Lucian Price. I guess, I'm assuming he's an NXT guy. I have no clue who the heck this person is. Lucian Price. And we got Javon Evans with the cool, it looks like he's doing the cutter. And he's doing it on Randy Orton, by the way. So to be working on a guy like that, having a match, even though he lost that match, I believe that was like one of his first main roster matches. You can appreciate how young this guy is and how talented he is. And hopefully, WWE does something with Javon Evans. He's definitely looks like he's got a lot of charisma and he's got a good look. So Javon Evans over here. Let me lower this just a little bit. There you go. Javon Evans with that. So again, we are, putting that one aside here. Again, I'm just kind of stacking up the cards over here on my left, but we'll have to, again, I don't know what the rarity of these cards are. I might do another video later on. If I figure it out and I have another box of these, I might decide to do, this one you already know who I'm getting on that. Yeet. Yeah, yeet. Again, I'm putting the packs aside here, so let's turn it around. Hopefully they're not upside down. Okay, here we go. We got Ilya Dragunov over here. So again, I'm not that big of a fan of him, but he is. It's just shocking he's not in Mania this year in a match. I would have loved to see him and Carmelo Hayes throw it back again. Here we go. Here, let's put that over here. We have, again, another WWE legend here, Typhoon. Let's take a look there. There you go. It gives you a little bit of information on it. There you go. I was going to say Berto. Okay, Berto from, I guess, the LWO, or I don't even know what he's a part of now. Really haven't seen these guys. They're probably primarily using him for like AAA stuff now, but the guy came in. He's been in this guy's been in WWE for close to 10 years on the main roster, and people just kind of like pass him by. Really has no character at this point. You know, I think they had brought him in for the Cruiserweight Classic back in the day. Anyways, here we go. Here's the main person, Eras of Excellence, Yeet. Here we go. Okay, let's go ahead and, you know, sleeve this one up. Again, I don't know really the value of these cards. I might have to make a video later on and try to showcase that. But I'm gonna go ahead and sleeve up Mr. Yeet here, and we'll put it over again to the side. Again, my favorite pull so far is the Chelsea Green pull, honestly, and even The Rock. You know, The Rock is a good pull. Roman Reigns also. We got the Mr. OTC in the house. Like I said, I think sometimes these you might get like one that's actually signed by a wrestler. So again, I can't tell you. Here we go. Okay. Ooh, we have another legend over here in the back. Okay, here we go. All right, we do have, again, I believe this is this in the WC, or I can't even say the name, Tyreek Igwe, which I'm assuming he's NXT 190, or maybe not. I am not too familiar with some of these wrestlers. Again, if it's an NXT guy, then I don't know, but it does not look familiar to me. So somebody in the comments, if you have something, let me know. Let's go ahead and put that aside here. Again, the card, the way they're set up, it's just whatever. We do have Ethan Page here, former AEW star, now in WWE. Pretty cool. We got another Bret Hart, so we got duplicates of Bret Hart, by the way. So I might give that to one of my buddies, you know, who I don't know if he doesn't really collect this type of stuff, but pretty cool. It's a pretty cool looking card. And here we go, another Hall of Famer. Well, not in the solo Hall of Fame, but in the Hall of Fame with DX, we have Chyna. Definitely, I grew up watching her. She was one of my favorite, honestly, one of my favorite on-screen talents, you know, on the female side, even though definitely she was, the era that she was wrestling, probably, if she was wrestling in this era, she would be 100% dominant. So, Chyna, shout out to you. All right, rest in peace. We're going to put that aside, and we're going to go for the last pack here again. And I'm going to send pictures to my friend on the pulls on some of these, and maybe, you know, I don't know if I pulled anything good, like I said, but here we go. Okay, we're going to turn it around. That last card doesn't really seem that good. Here we go. We got Pete Dunne. He's working with the Americanos right now. We have Johnny Gargano. Not really a lot to say about him. Oh, okay, here we go. We got the Big Red Machine, Kane. I definitely like this one. And here we go. We got one of the new members of the roster on the female side, Jordynne Grace. So again, pretty cool stuff, guys. Again, I'm not huge on Jordynne Grace just yet. You know, she's coming from TNA. Definitely got a good look, though, and hopefully we see a lot of good things from her. A shame that she doesn't have a match at WrestleMania this year. I would have loved to see her and Julia go at it, but for the most part, that's what we have for this unpacking, guys. Again, I really appreciate you all being here and checking out the video with me today. Again, WrestleMania weekend, guys. Let's check out the pulls. I guess these are like the big pulls of the night, which again, I think I'm missing The Rock. I think I sleeved him up and I put him away somewhere here, but The Rock is somewhere here also, if I can find it. If I can find it. John Cena was a good pull also, by the way. So, but here are some of the pulls from today's unpacking. Again, guys, I really appreciate y'all being here. Thanks again. Smash that like button. Comment down below your favorite wrestler from this list, and we'll see you guys next time.